And government achieved about 19.5% of its Treasury Bills sale target. However, the cost of borrowing the domestic instrument went up for the 15th consecutive week. There is more in the following report.
The auction was oversubscribed due to the relatively smaller target. According to the results published by the Bank of Ghana, the government got a little about 2.12 billion cedis from the sale of short-term instruments. The target for the auction was estimated at 1.77 billion cedis. A chunk of the bids came from the 91-day T-bill, where a little above 1.81 billion cedis were mobilized. The government, however, accepted all the bids tendered. Again, the government accepted all the 313.59 million cedis tendered for the 182-day bill. Meanwhile, interest rates continued to surge as the 3-month bill increased by 0.29% to 24.39%. Also, the rate on the 182-day bill shot up to 26.40% from the previous 26.02%. Analysts are concerned about the rising interest costs as it may affect the government's quest to cut domestic interest payments.
All right, so let's get more from Head of Trading at Republic Securities Ghana Limited, Edem Agama, for more. Edem, good to have you on the marketplace. What could be accounting for the 19.5% of T-bill sale target achieved?
Well, good afternoon to you. Well, what we are seeing is that because the demand is mounting, investors are also taking advantage of that. We also saw the inflation rising last week, so investors also placed that into consideration when bidding.
And what's your analysis of the outcome and, of course, your expectations for this week?
Well, we expect the trend to continue because for this week, we are expecting the government to target 2.6 billion issuance in terms of 91, 182, and 364-day bill. The maturing securities for next week is 2.5 billion. So we expect interest rate to continue that same trend of increasing.
Let's quickly go to the stock market. And what are we to expect? It's the beginning of the week.
Yeah, it's a bit slow this morning, but it's very natural for this market on Mondays. We expect the week to pick up trading in some of the stocks like MTN and Carl Bank. The banking stocks are still having high demand for some like Carl, Stanchart, but stocks like EcoBank Ghana and Access Bank are still seeing high levels of supply on the market.
We are grateful, Edem Agama, for your time here on the market. Please, giving us the very latest from the Treasury world. Now.